Hello once again, viewers. Yeah, we're looking at a KDK FM2033 FM transceiver made by Kyokuto Denshin in Japan about almost 40 years ago. So I bought this off eBay for about £10 plus shipping. And first impressions, it looks okay apart from the paint. On the covers, there's been some damage to it, but yeah, looks okay. It didn't come with a microphone, so I couldn't check the transmit just now, but I had powered it up. Yeah, the only thing I noticed is the backlight on the LCD display is a bit thin, so I'm guessing the bulb has gone, one of the bulbs has gone bad, and also the step spacing is, I believe, is 12.5 kilohertz, as with all old school FM radios at the time. So maybe this will need some modification. Seems like all the buttons are working. Volume control is not scratchy or anything. Yeah. Just that the step size is 12.5, whereas in most radios, modern radios, you could set them to 5 kilohertz step. Right. And one more thing I noticed about this radio is the SO39 connector at the back. I think it's a bit loose. See, you can see it's turning, so I need to tighten the nut on the inside as well. Okay, so this is going to be my next restoration project. So to all viewers, stay tuned for updates. Also, I would like to thank all the new subscribers who subscribed to my channel for the last few weeks. Big thank you to all for your support. Thank you for watching.